All right, YouTubes. Got an ice maker to look at a motel, hotel, motel, Holiday Inn. We'll see what we get into. I'll get you guys over there and we'll scope it out. All right, let's see what shape old Tippins is in. Oh, he's hiding. I got a couple coils for those beverage airs. So this is how RHS packs it. This is how beverage air packs it. So I got two I gotta do. Hopefully I'll get some video on that, but let's grab Tippins, some gloves, and we'll get in there. I got an ice maker. Pull it over, YouTube police. All right, what I found was the water level sensor is bad. It wouldn't let it fill up with water. So I got two choices. I can either try and rehabilitate that one by cleaning it or go on my van and see if I have one. And I might go look and see if I have one. Machine's nice and clean. I'll go to the van and see if I have one. All right, let's check our ice maker parts and see what we got. Right down here, ice maker collection. They got a bunch of sensors. Stuff those back there. Oh, she's falling apart, Captain. There we go. We're back. All right. There it is right there. It's going to be that one. I got both styles in one sack. There. Yeah, that's the old school. This is the one I need right here. Water level sensor. Water level probe. Score one for NorCal. Let's get up there. Right if you guys saw earlier, the ice thickness probe wasn't plugged in. I got that adjusted. We're almost ready for harvest. And we'll change this water level probe out. Ooh, getting really close. Fan cycling switch is working because it's cold out. Plus the machine sits outside. Yeah, right by the pool. All right, here we go. So it makes ice fine. We'll watch it harvest here. I got the curtain off. Thicken it up a hairball for the next batch. Just a hairball. comes. That corner was the hang up. Usually it's this corner on the staring at it on the left. Have to check that evaporator. This right here is Manitowoc Live. That grid's gonna need a scrubbing. Look at that. See, it's sticking on this side. Still come off of there, but make sure nothing's so. Boy, that one feels like it's out a little bit. The bottom right there. Definitely needs a cleaning with some cleaner. Okay, if you've never done these ones before, they just pull straight down. So take the pan out, they pull straight down. That's your connector. There's the new one, there's the new connector. And if you look inside, nice and clean. The old ones will get all scaled and shored out. Might be real rehabilitatable, but man, usually a callback. And then I got to clean this grid. All right, we did a little scrubbing. Using these two little guys. Cleaned every little grid on there. We'll see if it makes a difference on the harvest. Didn't really see any grid separation, evaporator separation, so that's good. We got the water issue fixed. Ice thickness is adjusted. Let's see how we do on this next batch.